Hey friends, Michelle Castle with 31 Gifts here. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about our VIP page and your participation. So it came to my attention that Facebook has again changed things. I know, big surprise. But what that means is we need to get your notifications changed so that you are seeing my posts so that you know when sales and exciting things are happening. So as you can see on your screen, you are looking at my VIP page. I want you to go over to these three dots right here when you pull it up and click on them. You will see there manage notifications. I would love it if you'd click there and then make sure that this is not off. You guys, I want you seeing my posts. How are you going to know that there's a sale if you don't see it? So instead of this off being highlighted, we're going to move it to all posts. The other area that might be off for you is push notifications. So those are going to be the ones that come to you when your phone is just on, but you maybe aren't on Facebook. It's totally cool if you don't want those notifications, but if you do, you can go ahead and click highlights. That's what I'd like to see. I'm of course doing a giveaway, so if you want to screenshot this exact screen, let me know that it is now at all posts, and I'd love to hear what it was when you pulled this screen up. I'm just trying to clarify for my own self what exactly Facebook has done. So I am doing that giveaway. Please participate. I hope you'll turn on all posts so that you're going to see what we've got going on here in the VIP group. Thanks so much.